Hello everyone. Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. In today's edition, we want to discuss 8 business ideas for sit-at-home mom. Are you a sit-at-home mom? Looking for business ideas? Probably wondering what is best business for a woman to start? Working from home is ideal for many women who want to stay close to their children or are looking for ways to make extra income. The truth is, the easiest business to start with will depend on where your talent and skills lies. What is easy for one woman may not be easy for another. So we want to discuss 8 profitable business ideas for sit-at-home mom. The first in our list is selling of your own products. What do I mean by selling of your own products? If you have a talent of creativity, you know how to make soap, you know how to make liquid soap, you know how to make detergents, you know how to make Vaseline, so lots more. Do you know you can make those things at home, your own product at home, and supply to shops, supply to friends, supply to so many people and make extra income? Are you aware of that? Alright, probably you'll be wondering, I don't know how to make this household products or selling my own products. You can make even chin-chin, peanuts, plantain chips, potato chips, and so lots more, and sell. If there's any of those products you don't know how to do, go to people that knows how to make them, register for classes, learn how to make them, and come out as best. Make it and sell to people. By so doing, you'll be coming back every day with lots of income, with lots of cash. Another on our list is selling of food and beverage business. Selling of food and beverage business. This kind of business that moves well. You can make this food in the morning and sell. When your children goes to school, you sell it, you make it and sell. You can even offer catering services to parties, birthday survey parties and all that. You can make this food and sell to your local community. I know of a lady that sells rice and stew early in the morning. People that goes to schools and all that will buy it from her, and by so doing she's making a lot of money. She sells this in front of her home. She's making a lot of money from selling food. Next on our list is drop shipping. All of us are aware of drop shipping. Not all of us are aware of it. Drop shipping is a selling of products online without holding inventory. How do you do this business? You do it when a customer orders the product, then the product is shipped direct from the supplier to the customer. You are not even starting this business with your own money. As a sit-at-home money, even mom, even though you don't have money, you can start this drop shipping. There's a lot of people selling charger, selling nightwears, selling a lot of things that they don't really have at hand, but they know people that sells that. Yes, and if you want to make money, you don't need to add much gain. Try to strike a deal with the supplier to remove small money for you, so that you will see customers that will buy from you. So the next in our list is blogging. What is blogging? Start a blog and say what is in your mind. This I am doing is blogging. I'm telling you what I know best how to do. I know how to make soap. I post it here, tell people about it. You can open a YouTube channel. Blogging has become an increasing popular job and can be a vastly profitable small business idea. The joy of blogging comes from the ability to write about whatever stirs your passion. There are blogs about mental health, travel, food. You talk about travel, you talk about health, people's health, you talk about food, and so lots more. Blogging may be a little slow to start, but if you are successful, there is plenty of money to be made. Yes, there is plenty of money to be made. You can start a Facebook page, tell people about what you know best how to do. You can open up a YouTube channel like I did for myself, and it's really working out for me. You can still do that for yourself and you'll be cashing out very well. Number 5 on our list is become a tutor in your area of expertise. If you excel in a particular subject or you have a skill you are good at, tutoring can be a great way to earn money in your free time or from the comfort of your home. Get started tutoring on sites like tutors.com or tutorme.com. Those are the sites you can do tutoring. You can teach people how to make things. Like I've said earlier, you can open up YouTube channel, learn a skill very well, know how to do that, and you can teach people how to do that. Or maybe you're good in mathematics, you're good in physics, you're good in Igbo language, you're good in Hausa language, you're good in Sweden, you're good in French language. You can learn it and teach people that don't know how to do that. Yes, there is a lot of money in tutoring. This is what you would do at the comfort of your home, and you'll be smiling back with a lot of money. Yes. Number 6 on our list is creating a wellness channel. It still boils down to opening a YouTube channel. If fitness is your passion and you hope to share that with others, you can look into starting your own wellness channel. Many people look on sites such as YouTube, yes, for home workouts. If you enjoy exercise, you can build a workout routine for others to follow your content. If they are following your content, the more money you can potentially make. We are on our number 7 list. Yes, you can start an at-home daycare. Have you thought of that before? Have you? Yes, if you have children of your own or simply love kids, an at-home daycare can be an excellent small business idea for women. You can set your own hours when you can offer care and do so right from your home. You may need credentials and license for this type of business, so make sure you look into all requirements before starting. You can use your parlor as a daycare place for people to bring their children while they are going to work, and at the end of the day they come to pick their children. Parents will want to know their children are with someone trusted and qualified, so try as much as possible to get credentials and license to start this kind of business. Yes, if you haven't liked my channel, please like my videos. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Is a way of encouraging me to do more videos for you guys concerning this. Yes, another on our list, the last but not the least, yes, is event planning. There's a lot of people that they want to plan their wedding, they want to plan their birthdays, but they don't really have money to do such. they don't really have not money, sorry, they don't really have time to do that. You can be an event planner. It's a dynamic business that requires creativity, organizations, and attention to details. So these people, they are very busy. They want to hire you to plan this for them. Start by specializing in a niche within the event planning industry, such as wedding, corporate events, or parties. You can organize a party, plan it for them, wedding, and so lots more. They give you money to plan. You get their cake done, you get their DJ, you get their hall, their desired halls, and all that, and they pay you for your services. You're doing this at the comfort of your home. You'll be smiling back with a lot of money. If you like what I'm doing in this channel, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I love you.